special guest, Everett. How are you doing, Everett?
Good.
That is awesome. Now, Everett, if you were going to dig in your backyard and build a playhouse, what number do you call before you dig?
811.
That is awesome. That is right. Good job. You want to call Miss Dig first to keep you safe, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, Everett. You have a good day.
Thank you for watching Miss Diggs What's the 811. Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.